Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change between heating mode and cooling mode on your Hisense air conditioner. Now the process is quite simple. Over here I do have a standing Hisense air conditioner, but it doesn't matter whether you have the wall mounted unit or the standing unit like this one. As long as you have your remote control, you're good to go. So by default, once you turn on your Hisense air conditioner, it should automatically be in the cooling mode, and you can know that from this icon on the top of the Hisense AC remote control over here. And the way you change to the heating mode, maybe because it is winter and you want a warm environment from your Hisense AC, is to simply tap on this mode button over here. Basically, the remote control is just going to change between all of the modes you have until it gets to the heating mode. So you want to tap on it once, and currently this is the dry mode. You want to go ahead and tap on it again, and now we are getting to the fan mode. So this is the fan mode icon, and then if you go ahead and tap on it one more time, now we're now going to get to the heating mode. So this is basically the heating mode icon, and at this point you should be able to get hot air coming from your Hisense AC. But if you want to take it back to the cooling mode again, you just want to tap on the mode button one more time, and automatically it should go back to the cooling mode. You can see the cooling mode icon over here. So you have to be able to identify the different icons for different modes. And I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.